Shopify Inventory Management, a complete guide for success. For any e-commerce business, inventory management is a crucial part of ensuring smooth operations, preventing stockouts, reducing overstocking, and ultimately delivering a seamless customer experience. Shopify, as one of the leading e-commerce platforms, offers built-in and third-party solutions to help businesses of all sizes effectively manage their inventory. In this blog post, we will explore what Shopify Inventory Management is, why it is important, the key features of Shopify's inventory management system, best practices, and the available apps that can help enhance inventory management for your store. What is Shopify Inventory Management? Shopify Inventory Management refers to the process of tracking, organizing, and controlling the stock levels of products that are sold through a Shopify online store. It allows store owners to keep track of how much stock they have, what products are in high demand, and when to reorder or restock items. Inventory management is essential for maintaining a balance between supply and demand, preventing stockouts or overstock situations, and ensuring that orders can be fulfilled accurately and on time. Shopify offers built-in inventory management tools, as well as the ability to integrate with third-party apps to enhance the functionality and manage more complex inventory needs. Why is inventory management important for Shopify stores? Proper inventory management is key to running a successful e-commerce business, and Shopify store owners must pay attention to several factors when managing their inventory. Here are a few reasons why Shopify inventory management is so important. 1. Preventing stockouts, or running out of a product can lead to lost sales, customer dissatisfaction, and a damaged reputation. Managing inventory effectively helps prevent such scenarios by keeping track of stock levels in real time and providing timely reminders for restocking. 2. Avoiding overstocking. Overstocking occurs when you order or produce too much inventory, leading to excess storage costs, tied-up capital, and potential product obsolescence. Inventory management helps store owners make data-driven decisions, reducing the risk of overstocking. 3. Accurate order fulfillment. With accurate inventory data, businesses can fulfill orders efficiently, reducing the risk of sending out incorrect items or being unable to fulfill customer orders. This ensures higher customer satisfaction and fewer returns. 4. Improved cash flow. Efficient inventory management helps businesses avoid investing too much capital into stock that may not sell quickly, allowing them to allocate funds to other areas of the business, such as marketing or new product development. 5. Increased customer satisfaction. With proper inventory management, customers are less likely to experience delays, back orders, or unfulfilled orders. Having the right product available at the right time improves the overall customer experience. 6. Insights for business growth. Shopify Inventory Management provides valuable insights into sales trends, product performance, and customer preferences. This data can be used to make informed decisions about future inventory purchases and marketing strategies. Key features of Shopify's built-in inventory management system. Shopify's inventory management system is designed to be user-friendly and effective for e-commerce businesses of all sizes. Below are some of the key features that Shopify offers to help businesses manage their inventory. 1. Inventory tracking. Shopify's built-in system allows you to track the number of products in stock, which is essential for managing product availability and ensuring that you don't oversell or run out of stock. You can track inventory by product variants, e.g., size, color, and receive notifications when stock levels are low. 2. Stock keeping units, SKU. Every product in your Shopify store can be assigned a stock keeping unit, SKU, which is a unique identifier that helps manage product details, track stock levels, and streamline the fulfillment process. 3. Product variance management. Shopify allows you to manage product variants, such as different sizes, colors, or materials. Each variant can have its own inventory count, pricing, and SKU, making it easier to track and manage inventory for complex product catalogs. 4. Bulk inventory updates. For businesses with a large number of products, Shopify allows you to update inventory levels in bulk, saving time and reducing the risk of manual errors. 5. Inventory reports. Shopify provides various inventory reports, including inventory valuation, product performance, and sales reports. These reports help store owners understand product demand, identify slow-moving inventory, and plan future stock purchases. 6. Automatic restock alerts. Shopify lets you set up notifications for when stock levels drop below a certain threshold. This ensures that you are notified in time to reorder products before running out of stock. 7. Multi-location inventory management. If you have multiple warehouses, retail locations, or fulfillment centers, Shopify allows you to manage inventory across different locations. You can track the available stock at each location, assign products to specific locations, and fulfill orders from the nearest location to reduce shipping times. 8. Inventory transfers. Shopify allows you to transfer inventory between different locations, helping you optimize stock levels and balance inventory across multiple sites. Best practices for Shopify inventory management. To get the most out of your Shopify store's inventory management, consider following these best practices. 1. Set up accurate product information. Ensure that all product details, such as SKU, variant options, and prices, are accurate and up-to-date. This helps reduce confusion during the order fulfillment process and ensures that inventory is tracked correctly. 2. Regularly update inventory levels. Keep your inventory levels updated in real time to avoid discrepancies between your actual stock and what is displayed on your website. Using Shopify's bulk inventory updates or third-party integrations can help automate this process. 3. Use inventory alerts. Enable low stock alerts so that you can restock products before they run out. This helps maintain product availability and prevents lost sales. 4. Analyze sales data for forecasting. Review your sales reports regularly to identify trends and make informed decisions about which products to restock, when to reorder, and how much to order. This prevents overstocking and understocking. 5. Implement multi-location management. If you operate multiple locations, ensure that inventory levels are tracked separately for each location. Use Shopify's multi-location feature to optimize stock levels and minimize shipping costs by fulfilling orders from the nearest location. 6. Automate inventory management. Consider using third-party inventory management apps or integrations that can automate certain tasks such as stock updates, order syncing, and inventory tracking across multiple channels. Automation can save time and reduce errors, especially for larger stores. Top Shopify inventory management apps. While Shopify's built-in inventory management features are robust, some businesses may require additional functionality to manage more complex operations. Fortunately, there are several third-party apps that integrate seamlessly with Shopify to enhance inventory management. Here are some of the top Shopify inventory management apps. 1. Stocky. Stocky is a Shopify app designed to help manage inventory for brick-and-mortar stores or businesses with high inventory turnover. It offers features like demand forecasting, purchase order creation, and inventory tracking across multiple locations. Key features: forecasting based on sales trends, automatic reorder suggestions, purchase order generation, integration with Shopify POS. 2. TradeGecko, QuickBooks Commerce. TradeGecko is a popular inventory management solution for Shopify that offers advanced features like multi-channel inventory management, automated workflows, and detailed analytics. Key features: multi-channel inventory syncing, automated reordering, sales and inventory reporting, integration with accounting software, QuickBooks. 3. Skubana. Skubana is an advanced inventory management tool designed for larger e-commerce businesses that sell across multiple platforms. It helps with inventory optimization, fulfillment automation, and detailed reporting. Key features: multi-channel inventory syncing, automated order fulfillment, inventory forecasting, warehouse management. 4. Sellbrite. Sellbrite allows Shopify store owners to manage inventory across multiple sales channels, including Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. It synchronizes stock levels across all channels, helping to prevent overselling. Key features: centralized inventory management, multi-channel stock syncing, fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, integration, sales analytics. 5. Katana. Katana is an inventory and manufacturing management tool designed for Shopify businesses that produce their own products. It offers real-time inventory tracking and integrates with Shopify to streamline the entire manufacturing process. Key features: real-time inventory tracking, production scheduling, sales order fulfillment, multi-channel integration. 6. Deer Inventory. Deer Inventory is a cloud-based inventory and order management system that integrates with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms. It offers features like advanced reporting, batch tracking, and accounting integration. Key features: batch and expiration date tracking, purchase order management, advanced inventory reports, integration with Xero and QuickBooks. Conclusion: effective inventory management is critical for the success of any Shopify store. Whether you are managing a small online boutique or a large enterprise with multiple sales channels and fulfillment locations, having the right inventory management tools in place ensures that you can meet customer demand while avoiding stockouts or overstocking. Shopify's built-in inventory management features, combined with third-party apps like TradeGecko, Skubana, and Stocky, provide everything you need to manage inventory efficiently, optimize stock levels, and keep your store running smoothly. By implementing the best practices outlined in this post, Shopify store owners can streamline their inventory operations, improve cash flow, and deliver a seamless shopping experience for customers. Effective inventory management not only reduces operational headaches but also positions your business for long-term growth and profitability.